Hi, welcome to the second video in this series that will teach you how to solve a Rubik's Cube. After watching the first video explaining the notation, we are ready to begin. Here's the cube that we will be using for this video. As I explained in the previous video, it's the Panji. The first step in solving a Rubik's Cube may not be obvious at first. We need to mix it up. I'm still trying to find a good camera angle. Okay, that seems to be sufficient. Alright, so now the first step is to find one edge piece that can be used to help us with the first section of the cube. I hope you have a good solve. So right here, I have this edge piece that can be moved into the right place very easily. It's blue and yellow. Now, the centers never move relative to each other. White is always opposite yellow. Orange is always opposite red. Blue is always opposite green. And blue, orange, and yellow spell B-O-Y. So we know where this needs to go. It needs to go up. So that the edge piece is now matched with both the blue and the yellow sides. For you, it may be different. As you can see, the blue-yellow edge piece is now solved. The next piece that we need to work on is either the corner that goes here or the corner that goes here. Since I know that this corner goes up here, it'll be an easy solve. First, I put it in place directly below, seeing that the yellow is right here. Now I know that my first algorithm to get this yellow up here is going to be U, R, UI, RI, which will indeed put the corner in the right place, facing the right way. Now, should you have the corner like this, where the corner is like this and needs to go here, the yellow is on the other side, you do a very similar algorithm. You do UI, LI, U, L, and you can see how similar that is. Using one of those algorithms, you will be able to get the corner solved. It might not be the yellow, red, and blue corner. It'll be whatever corner comes easiest to you in the particular situation. The next step is to add another edge piece to what we've already solved. I have two choices here. Since I've already done this edge, I could do the yellow and red edge, which goes right here, or I can do the red and blue edge, which goes right here. I'm going to do the red and blue edge since I can see it right here. The algorithm that I'm going to be using for the time when I remove it and the time when I put it in its place, which is right here, is as follows. U, R, UI, RI, U, R, UI, RI. Now we can see I have these two edges and I'm going to be moving this edge into here. The algorithm to get this edge into here is U, R, UI, RI, and then UI, FI, U, F. and for me, that solved the edge. If you have this case where the edge that you need to solve is on the right side and not the left side, there's another algorithm that you can use for that. For me, I have the red being my front, the white being my up, and the blue being my right. And the algorithm is UI, FI, U, F, U, R, UI, RI. And that will have the edge piece solved, whether it's on the left or the right, using whichever algorithm is necessary. There's the cube right there. As you can see, 2 edge pieces are solved as well as a corner. For the final piece of this step, you'll need to use the same exact algorithms that you just used for either this edge piece or this edge piece. First, you need to find the edge piece. So for me, I need the yellow and red edge piece. For me, I found it right here. And here it is. As you can see, it's on the left. So I know that the algorithm is the first algorithm that I showed you. You can go back in the video and see it. And that particular edge piece is solved, making step 1 of solving the Rubik's Cube complete. Hope to see you in the next video, and don't forget to subscribe. Goodbye!